This is indeed a very historic moment. The organization of the PS Zamboanga and the city of Zamboanga is really happy and inspired because the organization of PS Zamboanga is an admission and a declaration that for us in the city of Zamboanga to attain peace and security, there ought to be community participation. And on behalf of Mayor Beng Climaco, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all the organizers, our international partners, the USAID, represented by Mr. Larry Breed, the Crime Watch volunteers, and all of those who joined in this morning activity. Buenos dias, Karatan todo.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, at this point,
At this point